Good morning, friends. Myself Pranav Sanghe. Today I am here to discuss about fundamental concept in anatomy, that is the body cavity. These are the spaces within the human body that house and protect vital organs. Understanding the body cavities is essential for our organs and organized functions. In that, we see the definitions, types, and examples of body cavity and their importance in medical field. Firstly, we see the definition of our body cavity. Now, body cavity are hollow spaces within the body that enclose the and protect internal organs. These spaces are lined with membranes and often contain fluids that facilitate organ movement and protection. Second, the importance of body cavity. In that, why are body cavities important? First is protection. They shield organs from a physical damage. The second is support, provide a structural integrity to the body cavity. Third one is flexibility, allow organs to change a size, shape during their growth and momentum or physiological function such as lung expansion during breathing. Fourth one is separation, reduce the risk of infection spreading between the organs. Now we see the third is types of body cavity. Body cavities are classified into two major categories. First is dorsal body cavity and second one is ventral body cavity. First is dorsal body cavity is located along the posterior, it means the backside of our body, and is divided into two parts. First is cranial cavity. Houses the brain, protected by the skull and covered by it is covered by the meanings, it means protective membranes. The second one is spinal cavity, it is means the vertebral cavity. It contains the spinal cord and protected by the vertebrae and the meanings. The dorsal cavity is the critical because it is the safeguard of central nervous system in which controls the bodily function. The second part is ventral body cavity. The ventral cavity is located on the anterior and it means front side of the body. It divided into thoracic cavity, it house of the heart and lungs, and further it divided into pleural cavity. A pleural cavity is around the lungs, and a pericardial cavity is around the heart. Now protected by the rib cage and diaphragm. Second one is abdominopelvic cavity. It divided into abdominal cavity and it contains a stomach, liver, intestine, and kidneys. Pelvic cavity. And second one is pelvic cavity. Contain its bladder, reproductive organs, and rectum, and it is protected by abdominal muscles and the pelvis. Fourth is specialized cavity. Apart from the dorsal and ventral, there are smaller cavities like oral cavity. It means the mouth. It contains the tongue, teeth, and salivary glands. The second part is nasal cavity. Nasal cavity, part of the respiratory system, filters and humidifies air. Third one is orbital cavity. It contains the eyes, associated and structures. Fourth one is synovial cavity, found in joints filled with synovial fluid to reduce friction. Now, fifth one is membrane associated with body cavity. Body cavity are lined with membrane that play a protective role. It means meanings line the dorsal cavity protect the brain and the spinal cord. The second one is serous membranes found in ventral cavity produce the serous fluid to reduce the friction. Example, pericardium. It's surrounded by heart, and pleura is surrounds to the lungs, and peritoneum lines to the abdominal cavity. Now we see the functions of body cavity. Uh, body cavity, uh, body cavity are the essential for. First one is organ protections. The rib cage protects the heart and lungs, while the skull protects the brain. Second one is reduce friction. Serous fluid prevents the organ rubbing each other. Third one is facilitating movement. Cavities allows to organs to move freely. Example, lungs expanding during respiration. Fourth one is disease contaminate. Cavities can localize and prevent their spreads. Seventh part is disorder and medical relevance. Understanding the body cavity is crucial medicines. In crucial medicines, some disorder associated with include cavities in that include pleurisy, inflammation to pleura causing pain during the breath. Second one is peritonitis, inflammation to peritoneum. Third one is uh, Third one is hydrocephalus, excess the fluid in the cranial cavity, increase the pressure on the brain. Now we see the modern applications, modern medical application in body cavity is first surgical intervention, knowing the exact location of organ within the cavity. Second one is diagnostic imaging, X-ray, CT scan, MRI, which will detect abnormalities. Em- Emergency medicine, injury involving cavity such as chest trauma require immediate attention. Ninth, fun facts about the body cavity. It means the abdominal cavity is the largest cavity in human body, and the brain is floats in cerebrospinal fluid with cranial cavity. And synovial cavity are the unique because they don't have houses organs but are crucial for movement. That's all about the body cavity. Thank you, friends.